morning, everyone. This is Patrice Ray. I'm Nick O'Loughlin. We are Hardware Solutions, and we are fast-tracking an industrial sales process. All right, how many of you in the room know that this is a bolt?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how many of you know that this is a grade 8, 5/8 by 2, oil phosphide finish, hex cap screw? Okay. Now, how about these parts? I had the same puzzled look on my face when a customer brought these in for me to order. I had no idea what these parts were or where to begin looking for them. The frustration led me to get them ordered, get them here. Throughout customer discovery, we found 5 key problems. An overwhelming amount of parts gets us to the high turnover rate, where employees are finding the frustration from the training process. Inconsistent pricing from the manufacturer is, causing inconsistent pricing. And this leads us to the process of slow lead times. The complete lack of technology is causing problems all around. And what does this extreme lack of technology look like? These are the current solutions being used by industrial sales employees. When I'm out to a customer location and they hand me a part to order, this is the process I'm going through. First, I receive the part. I have to take it back to the store. I have to identify the part, call the manufacturer for pricing, get approval from the customer on the price, and finally order the part. More often than not, this process does not go smoothly.
So now that we've shown you all the problems, let's talk about how we're going to solve them. We are building a software solution to pair with existing 3D scanners to help these industrial sales employees by simplifying and fast-tracking the part identification and quotation process. Here's how it works. First, we will work with vendors and original end manufacturers to collect a full list of their part specs and pricing information. Then, when a sales employee receives a part from a customer, they can immediately scan it, identify it within our database, and view available vendors and pricing options from wherever they are. Our solution will completely change the industrial sales process. And not only is it solving the employees' pain points that we've seen so far in customer discovery, but we're also helping to solve their customers' problems as well. So why does this matter? Well, let me tell you, this market is huge. In the US alone, industrial supply sales bring in over $76 billion a year in revenue. In the United States, the top 4 competitors have over 3,000 stores combined across the country. And while these 4 companies bring in over $22 billion a year in revenue globally, they only make up about 12% of US market share. By targeting just a quarter of those 3,300 US stores, we would be hoping to do about $4.2 million in sales based on our current pricing hypotheses. And with such a saturated market, our potential for growth is just massive. So who are we? Like Nick said, I'm Patrice. I've been working at the John Papa John Entrepreneurial Center for about 2 years now, specifically with the Venture School program, which Nick and I are actually going through right now. And through this program, I've had the opportunity to work with over 80 startup teams that are going through this customer discovery and business model validation process that we're doing right now.
I'm Nick, and I have 2 years experience in the industrial industry, hands-on experience, and I also have 3 years experience as an end user in the construction industry.
With our solution, this time-consuming process of identifying and quoting parts can be simplified into a few easy steps and completed within minutes. Let's face it, the industrial sales process is complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Thank you.